All right, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome. Today we're going to take apart the Galesi Brescia 25 automatic. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first off, we're on safe. We're going to take the magazine out and make sure the weapon is clear. Nothing in the chamber. All right, so your first step is you're going to rotate your safety to off. The slide is going to come back just a little bit, and you need to rotate the safety catch into that notch. That is going to release your trigger assembly here at the back. The next thing, just like most European pistols, you're going to take the slide, pull it back just a little bit. You'll feel it come loose, lift and release. So here's your slide. There's your slide spring. That's about all I do here. The trigger lever will come out right here on the side, just for a basic field stripping. Now, I say that most of the time it'll come out. It's held in, there's a little notch right there that the bar sits in, just like that. So we'll set the slide apart. You can take a small screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, and remove your grips. There's a screw on each side. And we'll set this apart for now, or side for now. You take your slide. On the bottom end of your firing pin, that's this metal piece just in here. There's a little tab there. You just push back on that, and your striker spring or your firing pin string and your plunger will come out, and your slide is field stripped, ready for a good cleaning. There's a pin inside the slide. I've had this out before, but it's pretty difficult. If you've got a brass hammer and a really small punch, you can punch that thing out. I usually take it to the top, and then your extractor will come out, and there's a little small spring that sits in the back of the extractor that you can also pull and clean that up. The first time I did it, I did have to use quite a bit of WD-40 to break that thing loose. So depending on the history of your gun and how good a shape it's in, you may need to consider doing that. So to reassemble it, we're going to take your firing pin and your spring and your plunger, just slide it back into the slide. Take your frame, reinstall your slide spring and your trigger lever. Just place that right there. And then you're going to go in reverse order with the slide. Just place your spring all the way up to the front, just like that. Pull it back at an angle, and you're going to let it seat on the back of the frame, just like that. Similar to a Glock, we're going to put the slide back just enough, and very dissimilar from a Glock, we're going to rotate the safety. It's awkward to do on camera. Let's see if I can do it with two hands here. There we go. Rotate the safety so that it fits in the notch on the slide. Rotate it all the way, and there we go. It's back into position.